Good morning children. In the previous class, we have already studied about the articles. So can you tell me how many articles are there in English? Already I have told you that there are 3 articles in English. One is a, and the. So these 3 articles are divided into 2 kinds. Can you name them? So one is definite article, another one is indefinite article. So as you have learnt in the previous class, already I have told you what do you mean by an indefinite article. So as you learned, a and an are considered as the indefinite articles because they are used to denote the not specific person or a thing, or it denotes or it is used to denote the not specific person. So already I have given many examples regarding this, and also can you remember the notes what I have given in the previous class regarding the use of a and an? So once again I am going to remember or recall you. So if the word starts with the consonant sound, before such word article a is used, and if a word starts with the vowel sound, before such word the article an is used according to the rules. But I have given the 2 notices for you. So some of the words in English, they starts with the consonant but they are pronounced by the vowel sound. So before such word, instead of a, we have to use an. And some of the words, they starts with the vowel sound but they are pronounced by the consonant sound. So before such word, the article a is used instead of an. So let us move on to the next topic, the use of definite article the. So already you have learnt about the use of a and an. So let us move on to the where we have to use the definite article. So can you tell me what do you mean by the definite article? So the word itself suggests that the is considered as the definite article because we are going to use the before the specific person or before the definite thing or definite person. So for that only we are considered the as a definite article. So where we have to use the, so I want to give 2 examples here. I purchased a pen. So A shows that it is 1 pen. So I purchased a pen. The pen is red in color. The means the purchased pen. What I have purchased. So that pen only it is red in color. Then Bhima was the strongest person in Mahabharata. So before that I lost a pen. So yesterday I lost a pen. The pen is blue in color which I have lost yesterday. So that the pen denotes that it is a specific person. And also I saw the doctor who treated me yesterday. So if I told that I saw a doctor, so it is unspecific. But I saw the doctor who treated me yesterday. So it shows that he is the particular doctor who gave the treatment for me in the last day. So here, so some of the things you have to remember here where we have to use the. So here before the superlative degrees. So there are 3 degrees of comparison. With the help of those comparisons we compare the different things. So for example, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest. That the EST form is there, no? We call it as the superlative degree in English. So before that superlative degree, article the is used. So for example, Bhima was the strongest person in the Mahabharata. So Bhima was the strongest person in the Mahabharata. Or the February is the shortest month of the year. February is the shortest month of the year. So then before the natural things and also the areas, that the sun, moon, earth and stars. So before this natural object we have to use the. There is a rule. So we use that the sun, then the moon, then the earth or the stars. So before the natural object we have to use article, definite article, that is the. So then before the forest, the Sahara. So before the forest we have to use the definite article the. Then some exceptions are there. So before the degrees, so we do not use the articles, that is whether it is pronounced by, whether it is starts with the consonant or the vowel sound. So before that the article an is used. So there is an exception. So if you ask why it has become like this, but it doesn't have any answer because just you have to tell that it is a nature of the language. So for example, he is an MLA. He is an MLA. So here MLA, it starts with the consonant and it is pronounced by the consonant sound only. But according to the rules, before that word the article is used. But instead of that, the nature of the language tells us that, so before the degrees MLA, MP or MLC or PhD, FRBS or MA, so before these degrees the article and is used. So this is about the use of a and an. So just I think that you learn about this. So once again I am going to repeat about the definite article. The is considered as the definite article because we use it to denote the specific person or the specific thing. So I had given already examples. I purchased a pen. So the pen is red in color. And I lost a pen yesterday. The pen is blue in color. So then in some of the circumstances we have to use the definite article the, so before the superlative degree. Superlative degree means the est form of adjectives. So the strongest, smallest, sweetest or largest. So est form, before that the article the is used, and before the natural objects or the natural areas, sun, moon, earth and stars, and before the forest the article the is used. So this is about the use of article the. So some exceptions are there in English. So if the word starts with whether it is consonant or the vowel sound, so if it is a degree, but for example PhD, he is an MA in sociology, or he is an FRBS, and X-ray, before the X-ray also, so we have to use the word of article and. So it is the rule. But why we have to use like this? So we do not have any answer because it is the nature of the language. We tell that it is the nature of the language. It is like that. So we have to study like that. So this is about the articles. So articles are the adjectives. So the three articles are there. They are into two parts. Okay? So take them for today's homework. What do you mean by the definite article? And where we have to use the. Where we have to use the. And then why do we consider the as the definite article? Why do we consider the as the definite article? So do the homework and send it to my personal number.